How to use Instacart for prescription delivery. Well, to use Instacart for prescription delivery, you won't get the option directly through the application. What you'll have to do is you must first have your prescription filled at a participating local pharmacy like Costco, Publix, or Wegmans that offers the service. This process is initiated via text message from the pharmacy, and an adult must be present with a valid ID to receive the order. Now you'll receive a text message from your participating pharmacy when your prescription is ready. Then the text message will contain a link to begin the ordering process through Instacart. Then you'll have to tap that particular link. Select the prescription you want delivered, some exclusions apply, such as controlled substances and refrigerated items, and confirm your order details. You'll be redirected to the Instacart app or website. Here you have the option to add groceries and other household essentials to your order. Note that you cannot start a grocery order first and then add prescription to it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.